There's been a lot of chat about how ChatGPT can write an essay for somebody and get them a passing grade when all they did is just ran some software to generate their words. And I am actually a tenured associate professor at a state university. And I'm also an associate editor for a scientific journal, Radiation Physics and Chemistry. And I see a lot of times when students or researchers from around the world will write something and their grammar is just horrible. And so it's not a well-written paper. When it's my students, because they're my students, I actually have to go in and do the edits for them because their grammar is so bad. When it comes to an international researcher, somebody who has English as a second language, they suffer from writing a poor paper, but the research was good. It's just hard to read because the grammar's bad. And in my opinion, this is a perfect opportunity for ChatGPT or any other kind of artificial intelligence to just go in and do the grammar edits. And the reason why I think that is entirely ethical is even at this journal, it's an Elsevier journal, when a researcher just has such bad writing and they can't revise it themselves, the journal will offer them, at a cost, a grammar writer or editor, an English expert of some sort, to go in and do the edits and to improve the writing of the paper. And that editor doesn't even get referenced. That person that goes in and fixes their grammar, there's no reference. They get no citation or anything. And that's basically the same thing that you would get with an AI if they just went in and fixed the grammar. So that you are still responsible for the technical content, but when it comes to, putting in the apostrophes and getting your prepositions right and so forth, all you need to do is fix the grammar so that the content's the same. It just reads well. And that, to me, is a perfect example for how ChatGPT or some other comparable AI should be used. And I would like to see my students doing that because it makes my work a lot easier. I don't have to go in and fix their grammar anymore. That'd be wonderful.